polygons. In the figure, regular pentagon GFKHL is inscribed in circle J. Identify the center, a radius, an apothem, and a central angle of the polygon. Then find the measure of a central angle. First, we're asked to identify the center. The center of the polygon is the same as the center of the circle, because the pentagon is inscribed in circle J. When a regular polygon is inscribed in a circle, that means that all of its vertices lie on the circle's perimeter, and by definition, the shapes share the same center. So, the center of the pentagon GFKHL is point J. Next, let's take a look at the radius. Remember, a radius begins at the center and goes to a point on the perimeter, such as this one, or this one. So we'll identify two radii. Segment JF is a radius, and segment JG is a radius. An apothem is a segment drawn from the center of the pentagon that forms a perpendicular, or 90-degree, angle with the side or edge of the pentagon. Since JM and FK are perpendicular, segment JM is an apothem. For the central angle, we'll use the lines we used for the radius. So GJF forms an angle. Since we have J at the center of both the pentagon and the circle, and then points G and F on the circle, we have a central angle. The central angle is angle GJF. Finally, we want to find the measure of the central angle. Because the shape is a regular pentagon, it has 5 congruent sides. We also know, because there are 360 degrees in the circle, that the sum of the measures of all the central angles of the pentagon is 360 degrees. And because the sides are congruent, the central angles will also be congruent. Let's draw in all 5 central angles. We can simply divide 360 by 5 to find the measure of each central angle. 360 degrees divided by 5 is 72 degrees. So the measure of any central angle we choose would be 72 degrees.